I thought it was a cool product. I'm not really a technology guy, and I heard about it, and I go, that's awesome. I can see it helping out. My name's Robert Durst. I'm 27 years old, and we're in, I don't know, Western New York, I think we're considered. I joined the Army, and I left town for that. I mean, I was Army infantry. So I had my shoulder fully replaced while I was in. A lot of health issues that you don't see. My arches collapsed in my feet, and it was a bunch of injuries added up. I just woke up one day and I was completely blind in my right eye. It was a weak eye beforehand, so it's completely black. So like I'm only seeing out my left eye right now. The right eye is completely black. I got medically discharged, so they told me with the percentage of disability, I'm not allowed to work really. So it's been a lot of like volunteering my time to help people out and stuff with what they need. It's new technology that I would never thought of by myself. And I could just hearing about it. Like I didn't even know it did the TVs. I just knew the lights, and I go, "That's awesome," because everybody has sat down and gone, "Oh crap, I forgot to turn off that light," and then it's hard to get up or something. And you go, "Okay, I guess that light's just staying on now." Like I only got the one eye. I mean, I felt around my house looking for a wall switch and stuff at night, and it's just you go, I know it's in this area, but you can't find it. But you gotta go into a pitch black room and go, okay, where's the light switch in here? I know it should be right here, but I can't see anything. So you can do it without having the difficulty of learning. It's easy to learn, easy setup. Didn't call anybody, just moved it around to where it worked. Very easy, 10. It made doing laundry and stuff around the house easier. And it was fun messing with my friends and stuff. But I love that fact that I didn't have to rewire anything because it's a rental. I don't want to change anything or damage anything. So we should not damaging nothing to install it. So it's nice that you don't have to change the light switches and stuff to use it. So it's renter friendly, homeowner friendly. And my landlord even said it was great that it was only just magnets. With the basement, it saved me from tripping up and down those stairs a few times. It takes one less step of what you're trying to do so you can see and stuff while you can secure yourself while you're moving around. I think it provides a sense of independence. It makes it so you can be independent. People can be independent more. Say like a 7, because it definitely improves people's quality of life. It improved mine. You can. You still think you can do everything, and you just need a little help, and you don't want to be dependent on anyone. I think it just helps, makes you feel a little bit more independent. Look at it as it's not just a simple product for the people that need it. It's a product that can change somebody's life. And the person is whatever don't realize it because they haven't had that difficulty in life. And they don't have a parent or somebody that knows that has a difficulty like that. Like I could see this product could change somebody's whole life. And I think that is amazing. You can't tell what the future needs until you make the product for the future.